Steph and I are, we've woken up looking at glasses,
There I am.
and we're looking on Zenni. Anybody have a better site? So far, this is pretty cool. But we're just wondering, all of these seem a little bit colorful for our conservative lifestyles, especially
Tortoise
mine.
shell?
Tortoiseshell.
I don't know. You like tortoise shell? Oh, look, I can turn my face.
Wow.
Creepy.
That is pretty cool, actually. Wow. That's actually nice. Wow, that's a good one. But anybody use
That's what they
other
look like.
sites? Oh, that's pretty nice. Oops, set it up the screen. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that a lot, actually.
The top is tortoise shell, and then the bottom is just tan.
Interesting. I look
See,
like I
there's
just
a
woke up.
line right there.
That's because I did just wake up.
I
Blessed
like
are we,
the
the
line.
early risers. It's 4 p.m.
See the line?
Oh, yeah.
I like that. How it just stops.
That's interesting.